Alright guys, so I finally got my wheels back on yesterday. I'm so happy to have them back. I did run into an issue yesterday because I was actually going to lower my bags more in the front. I didn't know that you could actually spin them down more, and I have a lot to go down, so it's going to sit so low in the front. But I lost my airlift spanner wrench and I have no idea where it's at, so I'm gonna have to order a new one, and then I'll be able to spin my bags down as soon as I unlock that collar. And then the rear, I still need to adjust my camber. If you guys look over here, it's pretty much tugging. It's not aired out right now because if I do air it out, it hits like the lip on the inside of the quarter panel and it starts to like scratch up the lips and stuff. So that's the reason it's not aired out. But if I do air it out, it's like tucking to like right here, and it looks really good, but I'm still gonna get it fitted to the lip. I went with more of a stretch in the rear, and there's plenty of room to tuck the quarter panel between the tire and the lip, so it's gonna look really good as soon as I get all that stuff dialed in. And also I was able to get my BBS caps on, so I'm really hyped on that, and they fit really good now, so pretty stoked about this. They look really good with the finish that I went with. But yep, that's pretty much it for my wheels. So the other day, guys, I was scrolling down through my eBay recommended items, and these gloss black pillars for like the window, I don't know what they're called. I think they're just pillars for like the window or whatever. I'll show you guys what I mean right now, but they popped up and I saw the before and after picture, and that thing just sold me right away. So I went ahead and I bought them without even reading like the description or whatever. As long as like they fit my car, I just bought them right away. But I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So if you guys look over here, pretty much these pillars right here on the side of the window are going to be replaced with piano black one. I think the only BMWs that do come with gloss black trims are the M Sport ones, like my brother. I'll show you guys his right now. His looks actually really good. But anyways, mine is really worn out. It's like faded and it has a bunch of scuffs and it doesn't look that good. Now if you guys compare it to my brother's, he has gloss black all around. Like, I'm super jealous of this. He has gloss black right here. He has gloss black on the mirror right here. Gloss black on this top trim right here. Gloss black right here. Gloss black right here on this pillar. And the kit that I ordered just covers these up right here, this back one and these two front ones, and same on the other side. I already painted this gloss black, but it doesn't look as good as his does because his is factory, obviously. I just sprayed mine black, but that was probably like the best that I could do. And these are plastic right here, so I can't really do much of these. Maybe I could wrap them, but I don't know if it turned out that good. And then this one right here is like super faded. I don't know what I want to do with this. I was thinking about like just taking them off and just spraying them black, but I'm not sure if it'd come out that good. So these right here are the ones that I got from eBay. They're piano black, and I just realized right now that these actually have a 3M adhesive on the back. It's not a direct replacement like I thought. But anyways, I'm gonna swap them out real quick and let's see how they look. And of course I would screw this up over here. So if you guys are doing this, just make sure you're very careful with this because this plastic is very fragile. I try to reposition it. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. I can't really see right here, but it did like snap in half right here, and I just pasted it so there's like a little line, little crack line. So just be very careful with it, but other than that, it looks really good. I'm super happy how this came out. It's those little things that just make a huge difference on your car. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I think I'm gonna swap this door out. I don't know if you guys have been seeing this in my previous videos or on my pictures on Instagram, but somebody actually backed into my car like a year ago and I never fixed it. Like, I bought a door and I just left the door sitting in my backyard for a long time now. So I already ordered a wrap, so I'm just gonna like wrap it and then just put my new door on. And then I'll probably have my whole car retinted like probably sometime next week. Probably do like 35 in the front and then 0 all around, so it can look all nice and black with the new gloss black pillars. I think it'll look really good. So let's swap that door out real quick and let's get this thing fixed. So here's the door. I'm just realizing how bad I screwed up right now because I just put those new gloss black pillars on and I just realized that it's part of the door, so I'm gonna have to try to heat up the other one and try to get it on here, but see if I can take that off. If not, I'm just gonna order a new one before it gets all funky over there and it looks funny. So just gonna wrap this thing today and see how everything comes out. All right, so I got the vinyl all cut up, all ready to go, and we got the door handle off. The door's all prepped up already. I already cleaned it up with alcohol and with water and everything, so this thing's all ready to go. We got the trim off as well, so we can tuck everything nicely, and I'm gonna lay this thing down as fast as I can and try to get this thing on my car today. Boom, we're all done with the door now. It came out pretty good. It took me a little bit longer than expected just because I was working with the sun directly hitting the film, and it activated the adhesive really bad, and it was a lot harder, but I mean, I still got it done and it came out good. So now I'm gonna take off the door from my car and I'm gonna transfer everything over to this one, put the mirror on, the panels, all the trims and all that stuff, and we should be good. Finally finished putting on the front door now. Everything looks good, everything works good. So door panel on, window goes up and everything, so we're all good now. So now what I gotta do is see if I can get the pillar from that door on here, which is gonna be a little bit hard, but I'm gonna use a heat gun and hopefully I can take it off without breaking it. So it's not looking too good right now. I already cracked it twice and I'm probably not gonna be able to take it off, to be honest. So it sucks that this happened and I look stupid for doing this, but I didn't think of it. But I mean, at least I got my new door on, and I guess that's better than having that on. So I'm just gonna contact like the eBay seller or whatever and see if I can just buy one, and if not, then I'll just buy a whole new set. Either way, I have to replace the other side because I cracked it. I didn't know that they're that fragile, but it is what it is. See what I can do about it. Hopefully I'll get a new set very soon because I actually really like how it looks. It's a big difference. You guys can see it right here. It looks so much better. Sucks that it had to happen, but it's whatever. I'll probably just hit up the eBay seller right on a little bit, or I'll just buy a new set. It's only like 30 bucks, so it's like whatever. But got the door taken care of. That's something that's been bothering me for like a very long time. And considering that Beamer Fest is coming up in like 4 or 5 weeks, I really want to have this car up to where I want to have it. You guys already know me. Likes to have my car in a very presentable condition, so I'm gonna be doing a couple more things on this car. Like I think sometime next week or this week I'll be doing a gloss black roof wrap on my car because I'm already over the carbon fiber, and the carbon fiber that I have on my roof is, I don't know, it doesn't look like carbon fiber. It's just like, I mean, it does look like carbon fiber, but if you compare it to actual carbon fiber, it's like way off. These lines are a little bit too thick, and I don't know, I'm just over it. It doesn't really look that good. So gloss black with the gloss black pillars is gonna look so much better. So that's all I have for today, guys. I'm probably just gonna call it a day now. I'm probably just gonna relax for the rest of the day. Let me know if you guys enjoy these style videos. I added on a little bit more onto this video than I normally would. I normally try to like focus my videos just on one thing, but if you guys want me to add more content to like each video, then I'll do that. Like for instance, maybe working on the E46, coming from like, I don't know, lowering my bags more or something like that. I don't know. If you guys want to see like more content added onto every single video, then I'll just do that, because I do a lot throughout the week, but I just never record it. But if you guys do want to see more content, then I'll do that. If not, then I'll just keep it the same. It's up to you guys. Comment down below, and that's all I have to say. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Nigga, I don't just be sharing weed. A nigga got pounds to burn, that's apparent. Just cause you up in this bitch don't mean